about the relational algebra. Relational algebra means it is one of the following of combining the query language in the relational. It is associated with the relational model. It is called as the relational algebra. It will have the query languages combined with the relational table, relational model. This is the process. Some of the operations are there, that is the join, selection, division and set difference, union, cross interaction, intersection, all those are there. Now we'll see each one of them. First, to like this video so that it reaches so many students and they will learn all these topics. And don't skip this video, watch till end of this class. Let's start our class. Now we'll see relational algebra. Relational algebra is one of the following query language. Relational algebra. Relational algebra is one of the query language. One of the query language. Query language. And two queries will be combined. And two queries will combine associated with the relational model, associated with the relational model. It is associated with the relational model. Here some of the operations are there. Relational algebra operations. This is very important topic for your dbms subject. This dbms subject is there for B.Tech students and it is very important concept also. Relational algebra operations. Relational algebra operations are, now we will see each one of them. This question is asked for this short question, either 2 marks or 1 mark question, students. It is selection. Here selection is used for the selection. This selection is used for the selection symbol. It select the row from the relation. It select the row from the relation. Next one is projection. It deletes projection. It deletes projection. This is the symbol for the projection. It uses for delete unwanted columns. To delete unwanted columns. This is called as projections, because for example we have this table, this data in the data relational model, and here we have the sum of the relational models table. For these both relations we have, if we delete any rows or any columns, we will use this projection. Okay now students, if you have any doubts about this class, write in comments. I will definitely reply to you. And next is the selection completed, projection. After that we have the cross product. In cross product, what we will do? It allows combine two tables. It combines two relations. Combines two relations. Next is the joins. Joins is nothing but it will join the two or more relations. It will join two or more relations by using the joins operation. Next is the set difference. Set difference. Set difference is nothing but using the S1 and S2 is there. This relation table and this relational model, if you want to any column or row delete, purpose will use this relation. And S1 union S2 is there. It will joins here. Union and the set difference deleting purpose we will use this set difference. Next is the division. Division is also one of the same like in mathematics also, students. It will be divided the data. Next one is the intersection. Intersection process we will use for the data will be intersected here. Next is the union completed, and all these are the above operations of relational algebra. Note down all these points, students, in your notes and write point wise in your exams and draw any related diagram to that question, so that the examiner will get good impression on your booklet and you can pass easily and you can score many more marks. While opening the booklet, you draw margin with pencil 4 sides so that it will look neatly and good impression for the examiner, so that you can score many more marks. And if you have any doubts about this class, write in comments. I will definitely reply to you. And if in our channel discuss the Python programming, cloud computing, cyber security, machine learning, all those playlist link I'll send in description. You can follow students and prepare well and write well exams. If you are watching first time, subscribe our channel and like and share. Thank you. Next class we can meet.